Stop trying to forgive them right away. I know that sounds counterintuitive for a healing coach to say, but forcing forgiveness before you're truly ready is just spiritual bypassing. When you jump straight to, I forgive you, to avoid the pain, the hurt, and the grief, your body still remembers the betrayal. It's just a form of escapism. You cannot heal or let go of what you refuse to feel. Forgiveness doesn't work until you do this one thing first, which is validating your anger. Anger is just your brain's way of saying that your boundary was crossed. If you try to forgive someone while your inner self is still screaming for justice, the forgiveness will never stick. Give yourself the permission to be mad, to feel the anger and the outrage, to come to terms with the betrayal and the heartbreak. The hardest part about a breakup isn't just letting go of the person. You're also grieving the future you thought you were going to share with them. Before you can truly forgive, you have to mourn all the trips you won't be able to take together. The plans that you made hand in hand, the potential that you saw, and the deep trust that you entrusted in each other. Let's clear up a major myth about healing. Healing doesn't mean fixing anything. Healing is becoming whole again by integrating the shattered and the scattered parts of your energetic self. Forgiving someone doesn't mean you have to let them back into your life. You can completely forgive them for the heartbreak they caused and still decide they no longer deserve a seat at your table. Forgiveness is for your own peace, not for their redemption. And how do you know you have finally reached the happiness stage, you might ask? True forgiveness isn't forgetting what happened. It is remembering what happened, accepting the outcome, the truth, but absolutely feeling no emotional charge about the breakup. I know it might sound easier said than done, but when the memory loses its power over you, you finally get your own power back. So, go ahead, recognize and acknowledge your anger first. Don't run away from it. Feel it intensely, let it out, cry, scream, punch that pillow if you have to. Channelize it positively without letting it impact your day-to-day life. And when you know that you're truly ready, make peace with it and finally let your anger go. Forgiveness follows only when you have learned to accept, embrace, process, and release your anger. If this video resonated, share it with someone who's still struggling to make peace with their anger. Save this so that you can come back to it whenever you need a reminder. Don't forget to like and comment, and follow us if you would like to see more such powerful content that will help you traverse your heartbreak to happiness journey with ease and grace. Always by your side, and all the very best to you.